What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing well. It's hot as hell. I'm gonna go shopping, and soon, hopefully. And that's about it. Alright, guys, we are back at it again. Shopping. We gotta get a few things, and that's about it. Oh, Stop and Shop. We're here almost every day. Not advertising, I'm just saying we're here almost every other day. Fucking shopping. Shit, they should give me a discounted percentage. I do? Oh, yes. We gotta get some, what are we getting? Baby food and baby wipes. And that's about it. See what else we gotta get. Listen, if a woman works from 5 in the morning, then comes home, deals with a little bullshit, goes shopping, come home and cook. I'm not saying the baby's a problem, but man, if you're fucking tired, how the fuck do you women do it? God bless to my mother. Right, Ma? I mean, Jesus Christ, that's too much, I think, for a woman. Not saying women are weak, but shit. I'll be fucking exhausted from working. I'll say fuck dinner. If you can afford it, only get the best. Get the Dove soap, the best.
We're getting colds today.
Oh man, that's the worst for my body.
Oh well,
I got a problem with my skin, you know.
Well, then get something popping.
Oh man, I need Dove. The Dove is the best, and cocoa butter. Now just waiting online, and that's about it. We'll see what happens. Gotta ring up everything and be back in a minute. Damn, I don't know if I should go shopping again. I mean, it's a good thing, but my mother knows too many people. They talk too much. Shit. My head hurts now. Hello? It's a conversation. Hello is high and by. But you gotta admit, it's beautiful weather here in New York. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to make real hummus, Arabic style, with chickpeas. Now, you put them in a pot, straight up like in a can, and if it's not, if the chickpeas are not covered, you add a little bit of water, a little boil, and well, I'll show you the process. Got the chickpeas in there, let them boil. And I'll take you to the next step. Alright, now we have fresh parsley, jalapeno, and garlic. And we're gonna blend that all together. Now, if you want a little taste, just add a touch of lemon. It'll be good to go. Alright, we got the tortilla. And then we got the cut up meat. What kind of meat is this? Beef.
London broil.
London broil, cut up. Oh yeah. Alright guys, here's the aftermath. It's called hummus malahme. It's hummus with meat, garlic, jalapenos, parsley, tomatoes, onion. That's Arabic style. Alright guys. Just construction in the bathroom. That's about it.
On the top and top. You go in there.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. You have to put a piece in that side, that's it. Yeah. I stop, I go Home Depot, I don't know here, the titles he got the same, you have to notch it, you know, but I don't think she got the same color. You have to make it, you know, notch. That's the joint for the top, this one. How can the people leave it the joint like this straight to the soup water? You can't leave it, you can't leave it this.
You can't leave it open like that.
You have to put it like a jewel to hold water in here and here. That's where you house a stinker because this goes straight. The line is empty. Always you use the toilet, you use the sink, the egg coming to here.
Yes, it comes
because
straight down.
water, no, I'll show you and put it the new one. I'll show you. Yeah.
Ok, pues entonces vamos a ir a Home Depot.
Hay que ir a un tipo atrás en el top.
Ok. Y ahí también hay Home Depot now con.
Well, that's what the bathroom looks like, the aftermath. Still gotta take out the toilet. And right now just they gotta do the plumbing and what else? Couple more beams and that's about it. But I'll show you what I can. See what happens. Now you don't want to do nothing because the camera's on? Come on, now put them back in. I don't know if that one goes first. Hold on. Yeah, put that one in. No. Give me the orange one. Oh, let go. Give me this one. Come on this way. Come on. Over here. No, 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 don't throw that one over the bed. Just put it here. Oh man. I gotta move the bed and get it. No, no, don't throw it. Don't. You're gonna throw it, aren't you? No. You're gonna throw it. Throw everything on the floor. Well, toilet's in. I mean, toilet. We gotta do the toilet. I mean, the bathtub's in. Plumbing's done. Underneath. Can't really see it. But it's done. Only thing we gotta do left is the tile. Hopefully soon. And that's about it for now. Looking good. Work in progress. It has been raining all day this Sunday. Well, it's Sunday, but it's well, what am I gonna say? The rain is good, thunder and whatnot. Hell, I need the water for the grass and everything anyway. But that's my Sunday right now. Nothing but rain. Oh boy, praying time right now. I tell you, that dove is too funny, but keeps me company. better than people. It's crazy. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed. It was a good week, good weekend. Except on Sunday, besides rain and whatnot. But hope you guys enjoyed, and see you on the next one. Take care.